This is the latest project I've been tinkering on. This is my wife's 2021 250 FX. She liked all the lights and stuff that I have on my bike, and she decided she wanted some on hers, so I put some on here too. Right now everything is still curing up. I glued these pink LED light strips under here. It's actually like a aerospace grade glue that I use at work, and it works really good to hold stuff like that on. But basically this is not finished yet. I'm gonna actually, clean this up a little bit better and kind of hide these wires a little bit. But as of right now, they just go through a hole right here in the fender. And behind this number plate, I have a relay for the switches and everything, and I actually used a wiring harness from a Jeep, like a pod light type deal thing that I found on Amazon. That was like 12 bucks or something. But it came with everything I needed. It came with an inline fuse. It came with 2 power leads for headlights, because I put headlights on this bike too. And I actually put the switch right here on the number plate for the lights. That's what it is right there, and that's just the same switch that came with the Jeep fog light kit. But you might be wondering where the lights are on this thing. They actually are on here, believe it or not. They're just really hidden. So they're right there, right behind the radiator shroud. I'm hoping that they're still going to be able to shine straight forward. These lights are kind of a weird combo of a spot and a flood, so I think it'll be all right. I don't think that the shroud's going to block too much of the light, but I wanted to just keep it super simple and clean because she really doesn't ride that much at night. I definitely ride at night a lot more than she does, but it'll be fun just to go putt around and stuff with all the lights on the bikes and whatnot. But I'll show you what it looks like. I'll just turn off the lights here and flip on the switch so you can check it out. There you have it. I'm not quite done with putting on the lights yet. I'm actually going to end up putting some more pink LEDs right here on the inside of this piece of the frame. I already did it on my bike, and it seems like it's a good spot for them. They don't get a bunch of sand or mud on them, and they stay on there pretty good. But anyway, there's those pink LEDs. Looks pretty cool under the fender, especially with the graphics and plastics we have on her bike. But these headlights are super bright. I've already been riding with them on my bike for probably about 6 months now, and they're plenty bright for anything that we would do. But you could probably get a better idea of what it looks like if I had the door shut over here, but still pretty cool. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna go test it out this weekend. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, if you like it or love it or what. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try and respond to you as quick as I can. And like questions like how I routed everything and whatnot. But the gist of it is I just basically took the seat off, took all the plastics off. I unbolted the gas tank a little bit, and all my wires actually kind of run right here in the stock location where a lot of other wires go. And then I just routed them kind of along this line all the way up in here, and then this is where the rest of the wires ended up going. There's already a couple wires here for some other things, so I just basically went the same exact location that the stock setup is, and then all my extra wires are just tucked behind the front number plate. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.